Hey guys, welcome to Take Back Time. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a method that I use to remove the straps from my watch. And if you're not familiar with how the strap attaches to the watch head, they use these metal bars and these are called spring bars. So the reason why they are called spring bars is because there's a spring mechanism inside of them. When you push down on either side, this other metal piece will compress, and that's how they are attached to the watch itself. Alright? So traditionally, most people, the way they do this, the way they remove straps is by using something that is called a spring bar tool. This is a spring bar tool, a very generic, cheap China-made spring bar tool. So what people do is they have to get this tool inside at the edge of the strap, in between the watch and the strap, and try to try to manipulate that spring bar so that this will pop out. But one of the disadvantages of doing that is that you tend to ruin the strap at the end here. So, if you do it repeatedly, the strap may look quite ugly at the edges. And that's the reason why I have this other method, which I'm going to show you now. You don't even need the spring bar tool. Alright, so all you need is some dental floss. So this is the way I usually do it. You grab a bunch of dental floss. Alright, I'll try to do it on camera. I think I'm going to struggle to string this through the strap, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so you grab a little bit of dental floss, you fold it in half. Alright, you fold it in half. Try to make an end so that you can string it through the strap. Alright, I'm going to try to get this through on camera. Alright, there we go, finally. Thank God I'm able to fast forward this part. If not, you guys will have been so bored waiting for that. So after you do that, what you do is you put the ends through the loop, alright? And you just tighten this up. Make sure it's tight, alright? So pull it tight this way. And what you want to do, you remember when I showed you this spring bar tool, the way it goes is that it compresses like this. So you want to pull this downwards so that it will compress the spring bar and hopefully the strap will come out. Let's try that. All right, that's quite easy. So by doing this, as you can see, the floss has caught onto the edge of the spring bar and the strap is totally unharmed. All right. So I hope this has been useful for you guys, because I have seen a lot of people ruin the edges of their leather straps by using the traditional spring bar tool. And well, everybody should have floss at home. So I hope you've found this useful, and till my next video, see you guys. Okay, after I finished that first part of removing the strap, I realized that I didn't show you guys how you're going to install your new strap. And for those of you who are totally new to this hobby, I think this will be an important component as well. So all you do is you put the spring bar through your new strap. You place one of the points of the bars in the holes of the watch lugs. And all you do is just use your finger and compress the spring bar and push it into the watch. Alright, there. So you'll hear it click into place.